Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 4 secant of t, because if I put this one going here, you got about 16 secant of t square, 16. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds, you got about 4 secant of t tan t dt. After we do first the derivative of secant of t. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 16 secant of t square. This one you got about 16 secant of t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. And this one we change tan t square. This is about trigonometric identities. The square root of 16 tan t square, you got about 4 tan t. 4 tan t, we can simplify, and you got about 16 secant of t to the power of 3. Now, I will put number 16 go outside. So, I will concentrate about this integration only. Now, this one I can put into secant of t with secant of t square. Now, we can use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to secant of t tan t dt. dv, we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have secant of t tan t minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. About tan t square, we can change into secant of t square minus 1. And then we have secant of t square multiplied by secant of t and negative number 1 multiplied by secant of t. So you have the integration secant of t to the power of 3 dt plus the integration of secant of t dt. Because we have the negative with negative, that's why you got about positive. Negative with this one, you got about negative in here. And we know that everything in here equals to this integration. And now I will put this one go to the right. And you got about this integration plus this integration. And now you got about number 2 in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. And we put about c. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one in here. And I will put about C. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. Now, number 16 divided by 2, you got about 8. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And then we can find the value of t equals to arcsecant of s over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. We know that secant with arcsecant, you got about s over 4. Similar for this one. Eight divided by 4, you got about number 2, and you have 2s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.